Hi. Circle.
More random
Flowers. There's supposed to be a circle, guys.
It's a great improvement. You're so much better looking now. Is it me to add mammoth?
Cigarette.
No, it's stolen. Yeah, that's just excellent. No, put the fire back on. That's good.
Fire up there.
Your face seems to stay in one place and the rest of you.
Put the fire up there. Yeah.
God, this thing is terrible. Look. What's the fire doing up there?
No. About. No.
You can't keep me away.
I can.
I'm still here. I'm still here. I continue to be here. You're losing this battle of keeping me away drastically. I continue to exist. Oh, sort of. Okay, yes, I'm back. I continue to exist. No, wrong side. Yep, this one. Okay, now neither of us exist.
Ah!
Yeah. Oh, you're calling me a jerk? Do you even know what that means? Well, you're a dude. And then
Shut up, douche.
You know what that means?
Beard.
No. Which is why I don't use it. Do you know what a noob is? That's a terrible colour.
Tell me about it. Get off.
A noob is someone who
You're gonna
can't
break
play
my
video
neck.
games.
Well, I can. I'm pro video games.
No, you're not. You have absolutely no rationality or logic whatsoever. I'm not even sure what rationality means. I think it's the ability not to be rash. Oh, same thing. I didn't say rash, I said rationality. Exactly, same thing. Where am I? I'm still existing. Yes, I'm back. You're very desperate for me not to be here, aren't you?
Come on, it's worth my figure. Ah.
Aha!